Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 BMW K1600B. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 BMW K1600B, with 3,875 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, TPMS, a keyless ignition, reverse, GPS prep, an electronic windshield, and has been upgraded with a Remus exhaust, Hertz upper fairing speakers, saddlebag lid speakers, an aftermarket shifter, and we have replaced the tires. Powered by a 1649cc 6-cylinder engine, the K1600 puts 161 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel capacity, the K1600B has a 200 to 280-mile range. It has a 30.7-inch seat height and a 741-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts and installed new tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. The exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the exhaust, a scrape on the engine guard, a scratch on the lower fairing, scratches on both saddlebags. This bike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty and continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.